Hello world and welcome back to Game Dev Tycoon, where Sval Plays is currently in the process of doing nothing. Yes, look at my staff, all hard at work doing nothing. Let's fill this final position, shall we? Let's do... What do we need? What do we need in terms of staff? Let's have a look at our staff list. There must be something we need. Okay, we've got this guy who is good at pretty much everything he ever wanted to do. He's a fair balance between the two. This person is good at technology, this person is good at shirt design. I think we need some people. We need to get we need to fill a gap in our labour force of someone who's good at design, possibly someone who's excellent at technology. So let's just, I mean, we've got all this money that we made. Let's go looking for... No, algorithm sounds like it'd give you tech. Game demo might be balanced. Showreel would be design. So let's go for showreel and start looking. 2 million on doing that. And whilst we're here, let's develop a custom game engine. Actually, what game engine do we have? What have we got? Game engine. It's been a while since we've done anything new. I'll tell you what, let's spend some research points. We should do some research, get that sorted. Branching story would be alright. New topic, what can we do? Nah. That's sorted. For the time being, we've just developed a game, haven't we? That's why we're so rich. Let's delve into some contract work. Let's go... Set up computers. Go for that. They should be able to handle it. You know? If there's one thing we're good at, it's technology and shit. Squeakquel Fantasy is now off the market. It sold a lot of stuff and made 15 million in sales. That was a good game. That was a very good game. Right, so there's some contract work done. Now what are you good at? What are you good at? 398 in one technology. Well, you're not good at anything, are you? Well, alright. 298 is alright at technology. 284. 308 is good. 398 is exemplary. It's going to have to be you, isn't it? I mean, we can always train them up, I guess. Yeah, let's hire Paul Reed. He's good at the design. He's very good at the design. Right, let's train him at the welcoming of the staff. Oh, crap. No. Oh, for God's sake. Didn't mean to do that. Right, so who's our shittiest member of staff? I don't particularly want to fire someone, but if they're crap at their job. Brendan Morales. That's you, isn't it? Right, let's fire you. You sure you want to fire Brendan? Yes, I want to fire Brendan, and I want to fill him with... Let's go... Let's spend another 2 million doing that, shall we? Yep, thank you. We've got people... Okay, I get the idea. You're doing stuff, right? You need a holiday. I can't send anyone on a holiday. Alright, then, let's generate a game report. Sval, you can do that. Go on, generate a game report. You analyze that. You can... analyze that, and hopefully that'll give us some research points. What can you research? Let's go for the graphics. We just want to create some better games. You know, we want some quality stuff. Wow, look at that. Pretty good at technology. He's good at... Well, he's alright. I want someone who's way better. Way better. Well, 337's pretty good. But he's even better. 367. Let's hire Mike Brash. There we are. Right, so these guys can... you can go on a welcome training. There we go. Come on. Oh, I can't do anything with him because he's still learning. I didn't mean to do that. Did not mean to do that. Ooh, what do we want? We want a large booth just to, you know, get ourselves out there. We want to be famous. We want to be world famous. Yes. Gameplay seems to be not very important for that type of game. Well, let's work on that then. Self-publishing is a bad idea, apparently. Right, you can... Why can't I send anyone on vacation? I don't know. Post-release analysis of shitty skylines, ducks. Level design seems to be very important. That's fine. Right, let's get working on... Nah. We've still got more research we can do, haven't we? Branching story. Nope, I haven't got the points for that. Game tutorials, level editor. That'd be useful. Now let's have a look at some new topics. Let's research some military. Let's research some racing. Oh, these are some good big genres, aren't they? These are big genres that you could do. Post-apocalyptic. Nah. Let's go for law. You hurry up with that shit, please. Can I send him on vacation? Can't make him research anything. He's just going to have to sit there till he feels better about himself. Yeah, how many visitors are we going to get at our booth? We've got 27,000 fans, so that might have been a waste of money just getting this booth. But, you know, we've had... Wow. 250,000 people visited us. That's impressive. And Squeakle Fantasy was the game we apparently showed them. Nice. We didn't make it into the top 100 booths this year, but we might get there. Right, you train. No welcome thing. God's sake. Why can't I send anyone on vacation? That has to be a bug. That's to be a bug. Anyway, let's develop a new game. Let's try. Actually, ooh, wait, no, publishing deal. Find publishing deal. That'll be guaranteed, won't it? Comedy, action. Yeah. Any type simulation, werewolf, any genre, any topic, and strategy. Strategy game on the whatever that thing was isn't going to be a good idea, is it? Well, let me do it anywhere. Capcom. I'm loving these puns. I'm loving these puns. So the penalty isn't good. I ain't got a license for that. Hang on. About that. Accept contract. Yes, I want to buy it. Right, so we're creating a strategy. What would be good for a strategy? I don't want to do city anymore. Maybe transport? Moving. No. Move and stuff. There you go. There's game engine, strategy engine. Why not? Seems perfect for it, doesn't it? Since we're doing a strategy. 3D graphics, yes, please. Everyone get going. Right now, this is where it turns out everyone needs a holiday. Can't do a thing for that person. Could do with some technology training though, couldn't he? We'll work on that at a later date. Right, so engine is presumably going to be important in something like that. We want multiplayer. We don't care about. We want that. We want that. Stories and quests, not so much. So, gameplay. We want you on gameplay, don't we? We want you designing the gameplay. Engine. Put Sval on engine. We can save him for some actual technology stuff. Maybe him. Some pretty good technology results here. Okay, go for it. Develop some stuff for me. Develop some stuff. You want these numbers to be as high as possible as well. That's the other thing. High numbers. Give me the high numbers. Seems that simulation games are especially popular at the moment. Well, it's a shame I didn't go for that. Ooh, world's worst coffee again. Right, so dialogue doesn't matter. Level design is very important. Artificial intelligence is fairly important. Let's put him on the AI. Give him some better AI. Give him some Easter eggs. Dialogue doesn't matter too much. Level design would benefit from Sval. There we go. Wait. Why is that so bloody high? We'll get him involved at some point. Actually, you'd be better off with the AI, wouldn't you? I'll leave it for now. We'll let him do the next big tech thing because we can't have Sval doing anymore. He'd be over his limit. Nothing worse than Sval over his limit. Should we do some marketing? Demos, there we go. Building up a lot of bugs, guys. Come on. I'm worried about how low these numbers are when we're 2/3 of the way through developing the game as well. World design, graphics, not so much. That's high. We'll pull that down. Day and night cycle will be beneficial. Stereo sound. Right. World design is going to be the purview of Blake. Sval is not going to do any of that. Sound would benefit from you. No, we've got to get you doing something, haven't we? Got to get this person in on it. You can do that then. Get Sval out of there. There's no point having Sval in on this. Let's all get on with it. There we go. Boss, a small number of dedicated fans have asked that we release a source code to one of our older game engines, Game Engine number 2. Doing so would surely satisfy these fans, but given that we worked hard on the engine, we could also sell licenses for it and make some money. Alternatively, we could simply refuse their request completely. Well, I'm not going to refuse it. I'm a big believer in the giving away of old technology like that, because it lets people adapt old games to new platforms. Kind of, anyway. It's the reason I can play Settlers 2 on this brand new bloody system. I don't want to sell it. I mean, it's not going to be worth that much to us, is it? One of our older ones that we created in that garage. Just give it away. It's not going to cost us more than a couple of $1,000s, I wouldn't think, or a couple of £1,000. I don't know what money we're using. But also, recent decision to give away, we gained 1.6k fans and it cost. That's fairly good exchange, that. 1,600 fans in exchange for 2,200 pennies, whatever it is. I'm liking that these numbers are on the rise as well. That is excellent news. Excellent news. And we're going to have points for research. Oh, it's going to go well. Hopefully this game will score quite well as well. I can't remember what we're aiming for. There's always a specific score you're aiming for, and I cannot remember what it was. Look, they're still pouring technology into it as well. Jesus. And they're pouring bugs into it as well. Stop bugging it out. Moving stuff. Right, are we done? Yeah, we're done. Right, can you go on vacation? Yes, you can. Finally. What was going on there? Wow, this could be a really good game. This could be a really good game. Let's release it. Video playback and rich backstory. Let's do some research on these things. Rich backstory. Research. Video playback. Don't have any more technology. Let's do... Excuse me, can we do a game report? No, I can't do anything. I can train him though, I can train him. He needs work on his technology, so design and technology. Boosts a bit, doesn't it? Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that, we'll give him some more skills. First reviews of our newly released game, Moving Stuff, came in. Ooh, is it going to be high? I'd settle for... Oh, wow, 9. Holy shit, we're doing well. Could it be a 10? Could it be a 10? Could it be a... Nah, 9. Can't wait for the squeakquel. Yes. Oh, nice. If I get 9s all across the board, I'll settle for an 8. Don't give me a 7. Give me an 8. Give me an... Oh, you arsehole. There's always that one critic who thinks, nah, I have to be different. Screw you. Right, there we go. 2 months of TS will be taken off the thingammy flop. Right, let's do a game report. Generate a game report on moving stuff. Perfect. Right, I'm saving up some money in research points because I want to develop a new engine soon. Activision is a game meets our waiting. We're looking forward to... Yeah, right. Find publishing deal. What do we want? Simulation is popular. Let's go with that. Simulation. Pick a topic. What would be a good simulation? Surgery simulator. There you go. Innards out. There you go. Not good with these names, am I? Right, pick a game engine. We'll go for that. Next. Boom. 3D graphics, definitely. Come on, if you're going to be removing someone's guts, you want to do it in 3D, don't you? Of course you do. Right. Okay, so simulation isn't going to require... You would imagine engine's going to be up there and gameplay is going to be up there. Let's put Evan on that and on the engine. Actually, no, Evan makes more sense on that, doesn't he? Gameplay is going to require some design. I think gameplay takes design. Is gameplay design or tech? Not sure. We'll do that. We'll do that. We'll put him there. Character progression. There's going to be no characters. I mean, you could have the progression of a kidney, I guess. Nah, I'm going to leave that out. Simple cutscenes, multiplayer. No, forget about the multiplayer. No point. No point in multiplayer in a game like that. You're going to watch. The reports finally will say, you know, could have done with a multiplayer because it takes multiple people to remove all the organs. Here we go. Our post-release analysis of moving stuff is complete, and we got the following results. Artificial intelligence seems quite important. Platform genre match was bad. Well, they gave me it. Topic audience match. Great. Alright, well, that's fine. There's some additional insights. Paul Reed, Mick Brash are still new to the team. A few more games and they will have high potential. Even better. Even better. Right, so who is my worst employee now? Is it me yet? No. You're good. No one really. I mean, Blake Harris could do with some training. I think he would be good with... If I could get some of these speed skills, the speed up as well, that'd help. Yeah, I mean, look at that. God, Evan Martinez needs speed. Martinez, you need speed. You definitely need speed. There we go. Let's get him going for it. This is Arnie Kunkel from Electric Games. I got word that Sval is working on a new game. Let's go for it. Many of our readers are curious about what decisions going to make in a video game and how companies prioritize development strategy. Your new game is a surgery simulation game. Can you tell us which engine? Yeah, engine, because it's, you know, it's simulation. Come on, it's got to be engine. What else would it be in a simulation game? Well, the industry professionals agree with this. Every game, yeah, I know. We know how that goes, don't we? I'm just having to guess what's important. Apparently that makes me fans right. Artificial intelligence is going to be important. Level design, not so much. Dialogue. Very little. So who's going to be best placed to do that? Mick Brash can go on it. Level design can go to... Put Blake there. Actually, no, I'll put Sval there because I've done nothing yet, have I? That'll do. Okay, so get everyone involved. That's the key. Get everyone involved. Tez is no longer available, but I only released one game for it, so it's fine. Nobody cared. I'm worried about how low these numbers are as well. Well, here's hoping it doesn't end up being absolutely shite. World design doesn't matter. Graphics might. So, graphics are going to be design out there. Let's put Paul Reed on that. Sound is going to be down to Sval. Blake Harris can do the world design. Go for it. It seems the market has normalised again. Well, that's unfortunate. I haven't even finished the fecking game yet. I was so going to exploit that. I think this game might end up being a little crap looking at these numbers, unless they're all just coming in now. As long as our profit's on the up. Yeah, I think we're doing well. I nearly click finish then with all the bugs still. Like, moving stuff is now off the market. It generated us almost 3 million. Are we selling the games for $1 each? We sold several million. Well, we sold a couple of million of them and made a couple of million off it. Who knows? Come on, guys. I'll do. Finish. Right, you can go on holiday. Yeah, nothing really good there, is there? Anyone leveled up? None of our team have leveled up, but we're better at sound. Ooh, soundtracks. Right, we'll definitely get some soundtracks going. Soundtrack, go. Research. No, generate the game report. And let's do some contract work. Yeah, just get some stuff going. First reviews on your release game have come in. It's going to be low. Shows potential, yeah. 6s. 6s and 7s. 7. Thank you. Beautiful. If you thought it was beautiful, why would you only give it a 7? Quirky but good. Anything above average I'll settle for. I like it. Well, that's alright. I can't remember what they were aiming for. I can't remember what they wanted from us, so, you know, there's that. There we go. Boom, and it's done. Nice. Yay! Right, more contract work, please. Contract! That's not going to be any good. That'll do. If I do the contracts, it gives me some free research points. Game didn't live up to expectations. What? What were they hoping for? Let's go for a medium booth this time. We're only small. We're only small. Oh, we're up to 57,000 fans as well. Our post-game analysis, not very important for this game. Good, great. So where did it all go wrong? Where did it all go wrong? Who knows? Let's do that. Come on, guys. I want to do some more research. Not training as such, but... Right, you can go on holiday. You could... Oh, come on. Yeah, thank you. You can go on holiday as well. Let's do some small contracts. We're going to build a custom engine at some point soon. Time tracking? Nah, it's going to take too long. There we go. Go for that one. We need to develop a new engine just to keep our games ahead of the curve, but... There's a few points I want to research first. I want to make sure it's a discernible leap forward in terms of technology. Hey, more visitors and fans. I consider that a good result as well. Nice. Innards out. Yeah. We didn't make it to the top 100, but you know, we'll get there eventually. This could really do with some renovation. Ooh, yeah. What are we going to get? What's it going to look like? That's the question plaguing us. Oh, wow, look at that. Nice. I'm liking that. We've got a pretty good thing going on here. Right, let's do some research. What do you want to do? We want to do... level editor. What else can we do? Branching star. Nah. Game tutorials. Go for it. And research some tutorials. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Oh, wow. I do training for it. That's nice. Right, research. New topic. Sports. Let's get some sports. I'd love to create a sports game. Right, okay then. So, what hang on. Yeah, wrong button. There we go. Train. So you can do any of this for 10 RP. I have to figure out what they each give you, because I don't know the effects yet. But it sounds like it'd be better for my staff. Oh, wow. Oh, well, that's an interesting proposition. Yes, let's go for it. Decrypt the message. Borrow some research information might be of interest to you. If you're interested, transfer 6k to the enclosed uplink location. We'll contact you. Alright, go for it. Prison. Oh, I can create Prison Architect. Oh, games of other names are available. And, yeah, stuff. David is coming on. The winners announced the next generation console, the Dreamcast. Better name than the original. I mean, nothing wrong with the Dreamcast as a console, but Dreamcast sounds far more fun. Right. Let's do some contract work. Can we get this done? That is the question. That's a lot of work. That is a lot of technology to get in there. Ooh, it's going to be close. It's going to be close. Come on, guys. Guys. Please? No, we're not going to do it, are we? Going to be a penalty here. In is out is now off the market. Didn't do too badly. Maybe 2 million. Nah, we're going to fail. We failed miserably. Unfortunate. Right. We've got a bit of room for something else. What have we got? Romance. Nah. So let's send someone on training. Let's send you off. You need technology, which I imagine would be innovation. Or Code Jam would do it. Pixel Cup. Actually, that'd be design, wouldn't it? Should get the design over 400. There we go. Right, and let's work on. Let's work on a new engine. Create a custom engine. Right. 3D graphics. Leave the option for 2D. Linear story possible. Video playback. Game tutorials. Better dialogues. Level editor. AI companion. Just get everything in there. Soundtrack. What are we going to call it? What are we going to call it? We are going to call it Ultima Engine. Engline. There's no L in engine. There we go. Let's go for it. Go on. Let's get this developed. It's going to be interesting. We're getting research points as well, which is a bonus. Oh. Apparently you learn whilst you're programming. Who knew? Who knew? Come on. Come on. Yeah, look at that. Look at the skills. Holy shit. I need to invest in my people more. Look at that. He's like the king of design. Can I train Sval? Can I? Right, what do we want to train him in? Do with more technology. Code Jam's going to do it. Go for Code Jam. Jam. Go on. Yeah, boost it a bit. Oh, boost it a bit more. Oh, a bit more. The game engine, Ultimate Engine, is now complete. Right, let's develop a new game. What we're going to do, actually, we're still on. It was recommending that whilst I was under 100,000, I should ignore that and just go for publishing detail. Horror, law, and adventure. What a mix. Right, let's go for that. Law and adventure. Legal consequences. Pick a game engine. Ultimate Engine, go for it. Do it for everyone. 3D graphics, version 2. Yeah, we'll go for that. On start development. There we go. We're going to throw a lot of money into this as well. What deal am I working on? I forgot to read what they want from it as well. Right, it's not going to require the engine. It's going to be gameplay and it's going to be stories and quests. Linear story, multiplayer, video playback, character progression, game tutorials. It's going to require all of that. So who is good at this? Stories and quests is going to be a design issue. Put read on that. Gameplay is going to be down to Sval. An engine we can leave to... Well, we'll leave it to them. There we go. Now Sval is currently doing this, so he needs to get his ass involved. There we go. Yeah, should we do some advertising as well? Should we hype it a bit? Do some demos. Show some demos out there. Do you miss the old days where you used to go out and buy like PC World magazine and you get like a disc, a CD-ROM thing, and you just, you know, you'd play the demos off it for years on end, literally years on end. I mean, maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. Right, law and adventure. I can't imagine the artificial intelligence matters too much. Level design always matters. Dialogues probably do. It's an adventure game, isn't it? So dialogues are probably up there. Dialogue tree, better dialogues, level editor. No, it's no levels in it. AI companion wouldn't hurt. AI companion would not hurt. So level design is going to require someone with skills. Artificial intelligence, not so much. Sval would be fine for that. Dialogues. Blake Harris. Yeah, I can live with that. We need to get Mick Brash in on it later on. We definitely need to get him more involved. These numbers are not high enough. Definitely not high enough. I mean, we're going well on design. We're going nuts on design. Look at that. Jesus, right. World design. Gonna matter. Graphics are gonna be very important. Soundtrack. Rich backstory. There you go. Right, so graphics. You can get in on the graphics. Sval, no, we don't want you doing that. We want you doing that. World design is Paul Reed's, baby. Yeah, we need to get Blake Harris up, don't we? Where's Blake Harris? There you are. Train, code jam. Yeah, want him code jamming? I want to try this other stuff, don't we? Game jam. Right, that's going to boost research, isn't it? Research, speed. That one does technology, so that one's going to be... That's got to be a fair balance, that one. Let's go for it. I want to get this number up. Come on, guys, more tech. More tech. If I can get that over 100, holy hell. Oh, are we going to get there? Oh, we might. We're getting there. Come on, over 100. Please, you need to go on holiday. You're not doing well. Oh, come on. Come on, guys. Just a little bit more. Oh, yes! Yes! We're there! We are there! And finish. Oh, look at that. 101. In fact, records on both, but 101 there. Nice. Stories and quests have leveled up. Getting close on level design as well. We're not doing too bad. Our bank balance isn't reflecting how well we're doing, but we're getting there. Oh, man. Oh, 2 leveled up. There's going to be 2 pay rises coming up. There we are. Yeah. More money for them. Advanced cutscenes. Right, let's research the shit out of that. Advanced cutscenes. Could do branches. I can't do any of that. New topic. Romance. New topic. Just get as many of these done as possible. Right, they're going to slate us. I just know it. Oh, no. Ooh. Oh, there was a distinct possibility of a 10 there. Oh, damn it. Oh, come on, someone be nice. Well, we're not doing too bad. Come on, that publisher has to love this. Oh, I thought we were going to get a 10 there. It's teasing me. Right, what can you research? You can research... vocabulary. What the hell kind of game is vocabulary? Let's do some werewolf research. We'll study werewolves. Generate a game report. Right, go for legal consequences. There we are. Did I just say it told me it took $1 million to develop it? Holy shit, hang on. Game history. Yeah, it did. Look at that. Is that our most expensive game? Can't tell. It might have been. We put $1 million into developing that one. Man, we're up. Oh, no, that one. Okay, so it wasn't our most expensive game, but look at its sell. Holy crap. It meets their required standards. It exceeded them. Right. So you are the one that needs training. What do you need training in? Technology design? Yeah, that's fairly balanced, isn't it? Let's give him some more technology skills. Go for it. There we go. We is learning. 2 months to the Vino assist will be taken. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Post-release analysis. Great combination. Dialogue seems to be very important for this type of game. Well, I did well then. I did very bloody well. Okay. Oh wow, game convention. Should we just go for the small booth again? No, we'll go for the medium. There we go. Maybe it get us more fans. I mean, we're getting a lot of interest. Right, staff list. Who needs what? Who needs what? Sval could do with some training and everything. He's the all-rounder. Evan Martinez could do with training in speed. Now, I reckon... No, that's not what I want. Train. Just don't repeat yourself. Just go for that training. We could do it to be developing a new game, couldn't we? But it's just... let's do some contract work instead. Just as a break. I mean, it gives it stuff to do, doesn't it? You know, it gives it chance. It seems the market is normalised again with no particular preference. And here we are at G3. Other gaming conventions are available. Upon request, 100,000. Come on, 200,000. Not quite. Didn't make it in the top 10, but we're getting there. 100,000 fans soon. Excellent work. We'll transfer money to your account. I can always do with more money. More contract work. Couldn't do that. Could do that. Oh, come on. Debug. I can do that. Come on. Come on, guys. Not even a challenge. Hmm. Give it the 17,000. Right. More contract work. Ooh, vacuum robot. Let's make a vacuum robot. Fill it with enough AI so that it'll eventually take over the world. Yeah, the Oasis is no longer on the market. You can go on holiday. Don't like them getting too tired. You know, they're on vacation for less time if I do it early on. Just seems that way. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's an optimal way to do it. There we are. Let's develop a sequel to... Actually, no. What genres have we got? Develop a new game. Develop a new game. There we go. What have we got? We've got military. I don't know. I mean, would a sequel make sense? How long ago were these released? Where are we? Small movies. Shittier skylines. I want a game that was popular to do stuff for. Inside Out. Squeakle Fantasy. That was alright, wasn't it? When did we release that? Year 9. So that was released a couple of years ago. Fans... Wow. Fans will be crying out for a sequel. So... Squeakle 2 Phantasmani. There you go. Not even using words anymore. Okay, adventure, pick platform, PC, what else? Game engine. Let's give them some Ultimate engine. Let's give them some Ultimate. Let's start developing it. Give the fans what they didn't ask for. They don't know they want it, but they do. Okay. Engine doesn't matter too much. That does. Stories and quests are going to require a fair bit of design skill. I'm going to let Paul Reed handle it. I'll let Paul Reed handle that. He's good at design. None of this requires tech as such. But someone who's, well, okay, we'll go for that. That should be all right. Just yes. Oh wow. How is it that I sold that much and only generated that much? How can you sell 3.1 million and only generate 2.7 million in sales? I mean, is that profit or is that revenue? That can't be overall revenue. That has to be pure profit because that means you're selling them for less than £1. If that was actual revenue. It'd make no sense. I suppose it deducts the million it costs to make it, but look how quickly these numbers are rising. This one could be well above what it... yeah, I know what I meant. Level design is going to matter. Artificial intelligence, not so much. I don't think. Level design. Dialogues are going to require someone with design skills. Artificial intelligence, get on that. Level design. I'm happy to leave Sval on that. He's the second best at design, isn't he? Maybe lower it a bit. Right, go for that. Make the dialogues all important. Ooh, interview. Yes. Fancy adventure game. Graphics or level design? Level design. Go for it. Give you time. This is where it turns out I'm wrong and people think I'm an idiot. Disagree. Yeah, well. The more you know. The more you know. Yeah, multi-genre. Oh, wow. That's going to be something that's worth having, isn't it? We'll research that when we're done. Right, graphics. Graphics matter more, is what I've learned. Graphics matter a whole lot more. So, who's good at graphics? McBrash can do... Yeah, I mean, I would imagine it'd take that. I don't know. Tech. I mean, world design's going to take someone who's good at design, so... Oh, we could do that. No, we can't. Let's do that and put him there. Yeah, go for it. Go for it. I don't think I'm doing it right on this particular one. I can't remember how I did it last time. But, you know, this number being high is good. That effort there always seems to reward me well. In 2 months, the Master V will be taken off. These guys need holidays. On vacation. We'll let the rest of the people deal with it. Yeah, we're working out the bugs. Right, let's get Sval. No, I want him to... I can't do any research in a minute, can I? No, it won't let me do any research until the game is released. Yeah, we're getting there. Oh, bugs crept in. I'm glad I waited. Another bug crept in. Then got solved. Thank you. Yes. Okay. The Dream Vast versus the Play System 2. Right, release. There we go. New records on both. Dialogues, level design, everything is improving. Mini games. Right, let's get some research started. Let's get mini games sorted, and we will get. Can't do multi-genre. Can't do multi-genre. Can I do airplane? Start research. What else? What else? Medieval. Start research. Okay, now this is where we see how it does. It's going to be high. Oh, a 10. Oh, come on, please give me another 10. Give me another 10. Oh, they're going to be arseholes. You twat waffle. There we go. 10, 10. Yes. Oh, this is going to give us a lot of money. I'm on the ball this episode. And speaking of episodes, I think we're going to have to draw it to a close very shortly. Right, let's generate a game report for that. Can you... Yep, okay. Can you research anything? No, we haven't got the skills for it, have we? Can't do any training. Right, we'll see how this fares. The newest game in the series, titled Squeakquel 2 Phantasmony, was met with great responses. Critics praised it. Squeakquel. Yeah, newer engine than the original, really driving technological innovation. That's all we wanted to hear. That's all we wanted to hear. We're generating a lot of money. Right, guys. I'm going to leave it there for now. Yeah. Till next time, take care, have fun, and market analysis. If you enjoy my efforts to be vaguely entertaining, you can now support me on Patreon. $1, a pound, a yen, a euro, whatever you've got, whatever you can spare, all helps. Over 1 million fed. Thank you for watching, and ta-ra.